I like analyzing data because it removes emotion. Okay, of course, data can mislead as well, but I like analyzing data. So this is the winning percentage of traders according to a major US brokerage, and the percentage of profitable traders grouped by average trading equity. Why is it that those with more capital were more likely to be profitable, whereas 50% were profitable if they had more than $10,000? Were they getting better treatment from a broker? Were they just cleverer people, better at trading, and that's why they were rich in life generally and had bigger trading accounts? I suspect not. What we think is likely to be the case is those with less capital were more likely to have a larger proportion of that capital in each trade, and therefore if the trade went against them or they had, say, 3 consecutive losing trades, i.e. they threw tails 3 times in a row, it wiped them out. Whereas those with, say, over $10,000 still kept their trade sizes proportionately smaller compared to their capital, so they had more runway, you could call it. They were losing less if they lost 3 times in a row of their overall capital. Remember, if you're down 33%, let's say, in your trading, then with the remainder of the money, you've got to make a 50% return to break even. So if you go from 100 and you're down 33%, so you go down to 66%, you've got to make a 50% return. 50% of 66 is 33 to get from 66 back to 100. In other words, it's always important not to lose too much so you don't get to those big numbers of being down 33% or 20% or 15%. By the way, if a hedge fund is down 20%, you can expect clients will ask for their money back. Okay, so that's why we don't add to our losing positions. There's more links on the biog. There's more education on this if you look at my links in the biog, or if you look on campaignforamillion.com, where I teach more about what trading involves. So if you do get into it, you should only do it with risk capital, and remember that 70% lose money. Then at least you'll be better informed, better educated, and more likely to make a success of it than if you're totally uneducated.